Look how my mind plays.
Little bit of fame, little bit of hate, little bit of change. Watch the craze, keep it sane, don't fade away.
Look how my mind plays.
Ciao amici, benvenuti in Fuclone, guys. Now, if you are wondering why this sudden change to Italian, it's because the flavor of the day is Italian. हाँ वो अभी भी पिज़्ज़ा खाया था ना तो दांत में अटका था. Anyways, lately many of you guys have been asking me many questions that I am going to answer in this vlog of mine. The question was, what is this hashtag PDArmy? Why do you always use that hashtag everywhere? Well, let me have the pleasure of explaining it to you. So, hashtag PDArmy is the abbreviation of the Power Drift Army. Now, what the hell is Power Drift? Well, it is one of the YouTube channel for the petrol heads. But, they concentrate on showing Indian motoring in a way it's deserved to be seen, like no other channel could ever imagine. Not even in the deep dreams, bro. Now, let's come back to explaining what is hashtag PDArmy. Well, the Power Drift people call their subscribers as the PDArmy comrades and addresses them as PDArmy. You know why they do it? It's because they know कि गौरव है तो आर्यन है, गौरव नहीं तो आर्यन कुछ भी नहीं. Yeah, that. So, yeah. Next question was, do we need to give a shit to PD and the PDArmy? My answer to that is, you don't need to. Just keep your shit to yourself. If you are a petrol head and you like the kind of videos they make, subscribe and enjoy. And they will felicitate you with the hashtag PDArmy comrade tag by means of their giveaway contests, where they give away PDArmy goodies. And if you are not interested, find another way home, bro. Third question that pinched me the most was, why do you always keep licking their rear for no reason and publicize them for free? Well, I don't need to explain anything to anyone. I don't owe you an explanation. Understand that well. I saw their videos, it growed onto me, and I started liking them. Simple shit, right? Why are you making it complicated then? Yeah, talking of promoting channels, I want to take this opportunity to promote one more channel here. It's called the Wonder Squad. They just posted one video till now, but trust me, it's enough to give you goosebumps. Link to their video will be in the description box below. Man, just look at their videography and time lapses. Really appreciate it. So do check it out. So yeah, let's come back to the point. I promote everything that I like or that impresses me. Simple. Okay, so that was everything about the free promotion stuff. Then came the question that literally baffled me. What was it? Bruh, you are over 25 years old now. Concentrate on your job. Try to earn more and more money so that you can get married easily, have 2 childs, and then rest in peace. Paisa is everything. This power drift shit ain't gonna lead you anywhere, bro. And I'm like, seriously? That's what every Tom, Dick and Harry does. Why should I follow them? हाँ, I know you must be thinking अभी साले के पास job है इसलिए हवे में उड़ रहा है. हाँ, उड़ रहा हूँ. You know why? Because I'm sick of this IT job already. पूरी जिंदगी पहले पढ़ाई करो, 10th, 11th, 12th क्लास, उसके बाद इंजीनियरिंग किसी भी ट्रेड में करो, फिर किसी MNC में प्लेस हो जाओ, और प्लेस होने के बाद पता चलता है कि कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, आपका चूतिया कट गया है, आपको तो जावा.net आना चाहिए था, तो इंजीनियरिंग क्यों की? तो BC ये बताओ, जब जावा.net ही आना चाहिए था तो ये 12th क्लास से लेकर इंजीनियरिंग तक बाकी के टुच्चा पे सब्जेक्ट क्यों सिखाए? सीधा जावा.net नहीं सिखा सकते थे? फालतू का टाइम वेस्ट क्यों किया? Okay, forget it. So after hearing these questions, I asked myself, will Power Drift ever hire me? The answer that came from inside was no, because they already have world-class test riders, well-educated VFX team, damn good anchors. Then why would they hire me and increase their burden? But if given a chance, will I leave my current job and work for them? Heck yeah, I'm ready to leave behind everything to work for them. After all, I too got one life and I want to live it to the fullest. and gotta fulfill my dream of working with the Power Drift. Money is secondary for me. What matters more is my happiness. And I promise I'll be happy even if I earn less. Cause वो शादी एंड बच्चों वाली कॉम्प्लिकेशन में अपनी लाइफ में होने ही नहीं दूंगा. Anyways, many of you guys must be wondering why I'm so angry and frustrated. It's because I'm sick of answering those questions. I just gave you a walkthrough of my life now. The questions that I face every day from my friends and family members every time I put up a status on Facebook which has any kind of relation with the Power Drift channel. I'm leaving a link of the Power Drift channel in the description box below. Do check it out and decide it yourself whether it's worth the bezzati that I go through every day just because of sharing their posts. Okay then, this is InfoClone signing off, telling you, dream on, fear not. Until next time, ciao.
Too high, if we take it too high.